If your air conditioner fan is not working, here are the 5 most probable causes. The fan motor may be defective and unable to draw air into the AC unit or force it back out through the front vents. Try turning the fan blade or blower wheel by hand. If the blade or wheel do not turn freely, it's likely the fan motor bearings are worn out and the motor will need to be replaced. If the blade or wheel do turn freely, you can use a multimeter to test for incoming power to the fan motor. If the motor is receiving sufficient voltage but does not run, you'll know the part is defective and requires replacement.
When the air temperature rises above a set point, some models have a temperature-controlled thermostat that will switch on the power to the fan motor.
A defective thermostat can prevent voltage from being sent to the fan motor.
Unplug the AC unit, then set the thermostat to its coldest setting, and use a multimeter to test the thermostat for continuity, a continuous electrical path present in the part.
If the thermostat tests negative for continuity, the thermostat is defective and should be replaced with a new one. A dual-run capacitor stores an electrical charge, then releases it to power both the compressor and the fan motor. If the capacitor is defective, the fan motor may not run. When a capacitor fails, it will often bulge or leak. You can also determine if a capacitor is faulty by using a multimeter to test the capacitor's ability to store and release an electrical charge, as well as determine if the component has a proper capacitance rating, provided the multimeter has a capacitor testing function. Before handling the capacitor, you should release the potentially stored electrical charge to avoid injury. You can do this by placing needle nose pliers with an insulated handle across each set of terminals. Be careful not to touch the metal portion of the tool when doing this. A selector or rotary switch is used to activate the fan motor. If the switch is faulty, the fan may not work. On some units, you can set the switch for cooling and use a multimeter to test the switch for continuity. If the switch tests negative for continuity, the switch will need to be replaced. Relay boards and main control boards provide voltage to many of the air conditioner's components, including the fan motor. If the board is malfunctioning, the fan motor may not be receiving voltage. Since this is not that common of a problem, you should verify the other more likely defective parts are working properly before considering a relay or main control board replacement. All of the parts shown in this video are available on our website. Be sure to enter the full model number of your product in our website search bar to find the specific replacement part that will fix your air conditioner.